Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini ilong ki khubor bamenta kesngi. Ka sorkar jilla ling bakatnat sport and youth affairs kala Pynkup burom yaki khandai ngut kinong yakun kti ka jilla bami khmat yakari India shatorki kidai. Alan Esmar Banyang, Kishore Chetri, Everson Thank you, Angel Mary Malim Umlong, Iri Kerman Lang Lingdo, Margaret Pathau, Alexander Lingdo, Hubert Paliar Batban Shan Terang. Bat kiwei pan. I Angel Mary Malim Umlong ilayo yakatakma tama bad u Alexander Lingdo ulayo yakatakma renong. Ya katay ka jingpin ko burom la pelong State Convention Center Shillong ha ka ba u Conrad ki sangma ulap yang snob ha yaki haringkat ki sentiu bat ka jingking rindia kum ka jingjab ya ka jilla Meghalaya.
Ya ulai ba ula don tingkat yang ngadu isi ki pod dan tre ini championship. Nada bekerja sokongan ke berkau bahkan ke government jang ke Meghalaya jadi ke sports department kelasien kerai bekerja berle pendon buram ini akan dikasih bakalang kasih ke kira itu yang akan dikamas lagi kum kawai ke jingnya le akai kebangi yo akan leksim betah syabab ni pada jingnya rap jengki yaki sponsor prepare Ting ada bekerja sokongan ke berkau dan I know ya I honorable Chief Minister Jani Mr. Conrad Sangma nangka ya I Sports Minister I Bak Pan Fedor Lingdo but ikiwe kinang peniat jong kaneka Sports Department ke jongi I believe ya I Under Secretary Avashi Nada bekerja sokongan ke berkau bang iyo kanina laba pinpindan buram ini ko aci siya masngongo namar ba hake jing wat sponsorship jingi ke bekerja shaterki ke sports department kalau keluar ban yarat jingi ban I tiket pengen iyo ban ishimenta shaterki dia ublay nang kerkui dari ke sports department ya ke jing kam jingi hibarok hawai Badaling baka jinsin siya ke jong hingi yo kani kalaban ya lechim benta hado hajar kat kentai hado kupor hado menta hajar aku Hingga jing ya lechim benta jong hakani go world championship ke belong hani haturki idan kumban riu pong ki countries ki bawan bani shim benta haka wait category jong idan pusan wad but ngalarung haka final Hadu dengan yo banya yele persya batka Brazil batka nong yele kaja ke Brazil ke bakarteng ke Ana Santos ke balang ke world champion former world champion ngalalaban beat ika tinga da bekerja sokongan ke batka dengan mungkin juga kani ke championship kalong dengan yo ban bat ya kani ke husna ndai da jing ai bo ke jong blai Pada kejing darin kat jengkin men ki para lok ki para jom shnong ki tau lembat ke sports department berkersan berat ba yang ni met bat mensiam pengin yo ban lai chim bentash tay ni yo ban schedule so kejing job south ki medals mila ban wanra ya ka India hi barok away
come back maximum is 7,500 to 10,000 And I told them, go back and come back to me with a good amount, then we will have a function. And then, as a minister, I will stand in front of them. Otherwise, it will be embarrassing for me to stand in front of them. By going outside, even the flight ticket or a train ticket also is not match with whatever they have done. They have brought name to the state. That's why I'll tell you a part of that, so that we have come up with this sports policy. And today we are proud of our athletes. We are proud of them. We have done this cash award this year, last year. But the thing is, I think nobody know how much Margaret, she will receive today the amount. I think, Kong Margaret, you have already been informed or not, I don't know. But you will get 5 lakh rupees. Because this is just an example. This is, we have to follow the sports policy. And now we have a youth policy also. 5 lakh as a cash incentive. A part of that, when your president and secretary came to me and met me and requested me for participation of this arm wrestling in Turkey, when they came with the letter, it was mentioned 33 lakhs. I'm right? He's here, all of them, most of them, I know. But I said, from where does 33 lakhs will come? I call up, thanks to Chief Minister. I call up CM and I requested him, sir, we have to do something for them. Let us give whatever, but not below 10 lakhs. But thanks to Chief Minister, 25 lakhs we have sanctioned to you for the
We need to be kind of systematic in our investment and move in it in a long-term kind of perspective. And look at a picture where we are seeing that in the next 5 years to 10 years, we hope that we will be having adequate infrastructure to be able to provide for the youngsters in our state. So it cannot happen in a matter of a year or 2 years or even one term. It takes time. But I'm happy to see that things are moving forward, especially from the point of infrastructure. We also realize that sports is not just about what you like to do. Sports is also about what you are actually good at. And a lot of times actually our youngsters are normally attracted to a particular discipline because what they see on television. And football, of course, is one of the best examples. But it could just be that, your response or your entire eye and leg coordination is not at the level that you can be a footballer. But it just could be that your hand and eye coordination is better and you're better at shooting or better at archery. And we realize that there needs to be some process in which we are able to identify these talents at a young age. So identifying these talents when the sports person is already at 16, 17, 18 is too late for the person to then change the discipline and come into something that they actually are good at. And hence we started this whole program called the STAR program, where we started getting international Olympians, people who have won Olympic medals, to come in and actually test our youngsters to know what they are good at, the sports, the skills that they have, or what they could be good at. Not what they would like to be good at, but what is it that they have skill in. And hence, a scientific approach at a young age is required. And this year we managed to do about 6,000 plus athletes. We plan to do many more every year. And you'll be happy to know that in this talent hunt, we were able to find almost about 200 talents who were in the category of elite athletes. That means they were above the average of the US and the Australian standards for the super or the elite athletes. And these are youngsters who have never got any training in their life. In fact, half of them were running without shoes. So just imagine if tomorrow they have got the training, the facilities and the basic support. These are people who without training today, just because of the way they are and the skills that they have, they are above average.